In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to let exercise timer calculate calories for you during your workout. So there are two ways of calculating calories during a workout. So if you have a smartwatch, exercise timer will automatically calculate the calories using the smartwatch, so using the heart rate sensor and such. But if you don't have a smartwatch and you just want to use your phone, exercise timer can also calculate the calories for you using the exercise, the particular exercise that you're doing. So before we start, open up exercise timer and we're going to set the weight because the calories depend on your weight. So open up exercise timer, click on more and go to your account. If you don't have one, create an account and we're going to enter the weight here. The calorie burn also depends if the person doing it is a male or female, so ideally you also set if you're male or female from here. When you're done, press save, go to home, and we're going to create a short workout to see if the calorie counting works. So tap on plus, new workout. We're going to name it calorie count, and we're going to add a simple exercise, for example squats, and something else that exercise timer requires in order for the calorie counting to work is the METs. So each exercise has a particular MET. It's the metabolic equivalent of each exercise. And for example, for the squats, we can set it, for example, to around 4. And based on your weight that I set, this will waste 215 calories per hour. So press done, and as you can see here, for 30 seconds of this exercise, we will waste 2 calories. So let's duplicate this, and you can see that we have more. Of course, this is rounded off, so that's why we see 5 instead of 4 there. So even if we repeat it, you can see that we are burning more calories. So instead of squats, for example, we want to make a break. For this, you set the calorie burn to, for example, sitting, sleeping, or meditating, and press done. And that's 1 MET, press done. And now we can see the new estimate based on the settings that we have made. So let's increase the repetitions to 10 and save this. And if we open it and start,
lap 1 squats,
we can see that exercise timer here. We have the elapsed time up here and the time left. And if we want to show the calories, for example, let's replace the first field here, select it, hold it basically, and instead of elapsed time, you can select calories. And this will tell us how much calories we are burning based on the current exercise that we're doing.
1